All right, so I am sorry that I'm not able to be here this morning. I'm going to show you guys how to do 13.1 so that you have something you can work on. So if you'll go ahead and go into working papers. And let's do it on your own because I already did work together with my 6th-hour crew. Okay, so we did all the legwork with our payroll in Chapter 12. We got everything calculated. You guys looked up your amounts for federal income tax, and then we dealt with writing the checks. And so obviously we have to keep record of that in our journal. And so that's what we're doing in Chapter 13. So what we're doing for this first section here, we are journalizing basically just the paychecks. We're journalizing the employee side of things, so the different taxes that are taken out for that employees pay. So we're going to use T accounts to do this, which we haven't seen in a while, but we're just going to analyze them with T accounts, and then we're going to be journalizing them on the next tab. So this total earnings right here, that's going to be our salary expense. That's the gross pay. And so any expense obviously gets a normal debit balance. So $15,640 is going to go there. The next amount, federal income tax withheld, that is going to, it annoys me that they don't just call them the same thing, but that's going to be going in employee income tax payable. And any of our payables are liabilities. And so liabilities have normal credit balance. So 1,015 is going to go here. Social Security tax withheld, that amount is going to get credited to Social Security tax payable. So 96968. And then Medicare is going to get credited $226.78. And then the total earnings, the gross pay, minus these three numbers is the amount that's going to get credited to cash. So I'm going to calculate that for you real quick. Okay, so hopefully, if I did my math correctly, the difference of those is $13,428.54. Okay? Debit's got to equal credits. All right, and we're good. So the next step is journalizing. So we have all of those amounts in the T accounts right here. So I'm going to move these right over here. And this is how we're going to do it. So it says journalize the payment to Houston Company's June 16th through 30th payroll on page 8 of the cash payments journal. The payroll was paid by check number 776 on June 30th of the current year. All right. So the date is June 30. This is how we set it up. So salary expense. The check number they wanted us to use was 776. Okay, so salary expense was a debit of 15,640. The next line, and you are always going to have to go into this in this order, is employee income tax payable. And that is a credit of 1,015. Then we have Social Security tax payable. And that is a credit of 96968. And then we have Medicare. $226.78. And then the difference of those is our cash, which is going to go in the first line. And there you have it. Let's make sure that I did everything correctly. Yeah, all good.